Hi, this is Srinivasan Ramanujam from writersrinivasan.com. So why I'm here today? We are going to discuss about an important topic: how to earn money online. Most importantly, how do you make a decision? How do you make a conclusion saying that yes, this is what I'm going to do. These are the things I'm going to do. These are the things I'm not going to do. The new normal thing has come up now. The new normal thing is lot of people, they are not interested to work on 9 to 5, right? So people would like to work wherever they are and would like to work on multiple things, right? And also they would like to enjoy their time off, and they don't want to go to their offices, they don't want to be in the traffic, middle of the traffic. They wanted to live a life very peacefully, happily, and freely, without attending too many meetings, too many calls, too many disputes during the meetings, right? So how these things are possible? So this thing, I'm going to tell you in series of video. Maybe this you can give your own topic for this content, like how to earn money online, how to earn, how to hesitate, how to hate 9 to 5 job, and wherever possible you can earn online or offline, whatever it is. You can give your own name, right? This is what we are going to discuss about in this series of videos. And also this is a life-changing moment for each and every one of you. Okay, so how you earn, how it is possible? Do you think that first of all you can avoid 9 to 5 job, and you do you think that is it possible you can avoid 9 to 5? I don't think a lot of parents, not this younger generation, your parents, or in that parents, maybe your colleagues or friends, they will think that it is not possible. They may think that it is not possible, but it is possible. But you have to have the guts in front of them. You have to prove, saying that yes, it is possible. I'm not going anywhere. Wherever I'm sitting, wherever I am, I'm just I will be able to work on, right, my job, and I can earn so much money. How to get so many projects, how to get so many clients, right? How to get in touch with, or how to make a network, right? So if you make a network, then you'll be able to do a lot of things, whatever your dream, right? So whatever you dream of, so whatever you can schedule it, you can do that. This is possible. This has been proven, and this has been implemented everywhere, and this has been throughout the world. Lot of younger generation, also the people above, before 10 years back, they have implemented this kind of things. They just hate it 9 to 5 job, and they have done a tremendous they earn whatever they want it to be. They earn not only the money, they earn their friends, they just live with their family peacefully, right? So they will decide. I mean, ultimately the goal is you can control your life. So this is what it is. So if you just hate 9 to 5 job, it's life is yours. You can control your job. You can control your life. So you decide whatever you want it to be. This is the most thing that even all the, not only generations, the people who work hard, they will just getting into depression, getting into stress, they are easily getting into a lot of health issues. So after some time, they will just work for 10 years, without having their family without living with their family, living with their friends, without just earning money, and also losing their time, right? So this is the problem we have faced, right? So we need to stop this kind of a problem, and this is why I'm just planning to start how to earn all these things, not only money, how to earn your friend, how to earn money, right? Of course, money is important, but if you calculate all these things in your life, right? So even I think we have a lot of things to discuss. So this is a kind of an introductory video. What are all the things we are going to discuss about, and that is why I'm just in front of you, we are discussing. So this is a kind of a discussion, and if you have any kind of a feedback or comment, you can just always give it with this in this video, below the video you can give it. But what we are going to discuss, very simple, how to control your life, right? So everyone has 24 hours, everyone has the same kind of family, work, job, boss, managers, everywhere. This is the normal thing. But how you can break it? How will be able to do, or how will be able to make more money with controlling your life in your hand, not about your company, about your boss, because we are depending on a lot of these factors, right? When you go for 9 to 5, so there are so many factors that you have to decide, or not. You have not able to decide it, saying that you have to always depend on your boss, you depend on your company, depend on your circumstances. But everything can be controlled. How? This is what we are going to discuss. How we will be able to control your life, at the same time how you will be able to earn money, right? Yes, we are going to see a lot of things with the case studies. And then just follow me on writersrinivasan.com. Thank you so much.